God, do I actually have some time to film a real video? Let's not jinx it though. We're not gonna jinx it right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing, of course, a classic good old empties video. I'm gonna wait a few more weeks because I'm sure I'm gonna have some more empty things. I'm overdue. This is about a month and a half worth of things, and I personally feel like a lot of it is anyways expired for the most part. There have been rare times I've been able to go through my stash and I have a lot of expired things and I'm not proud of this. This is why we are evolving. This is why I do this. And also now as a mom, I just can't see the appeal of keeping a stash of beauty products and even makeup. Like, it just is like, what the f are you doing, Samantha? I don't know. I tend to replace people with things. Or anyone asks why there's so many blankets on my son's crib. No one probably asked, but I will tell you anyways, because the air conditioner here tends to be very cold. So I use those as like a blockade for him so he doesn't get too cold at night. My son is taking a nap out in the living room. He cannot sleep in here and take a nap. Again, any moms out there have any suggestions? I'm starting to establish a nap time every single day. So this is the second day we're doing this. Trying to at least do that with him and then keep him awake as much as we can. But he's only 6 weeks old, so you know, very far few in between. Still trying to figure him out. He's trying to figure us out. You get it. Let's just get right into this. This is a fun video. And I actually did my hair the other day, yesterday. What? I was able to do that while my son slept for a little bit. It was so nice. Not to make me sound selfish in any way whatsoever. I miss doing things for myself, and it's been very, very hard to do that the last couple weeks, especially. Again, if you've watched my postpartum birth story and everything, my son has had gas issues, acid reflux, etc. He's just wanted to be on mommy or on daddy. We haven't really been able to get anything done, which is pretty normal for newborns anyways. I feel like it's just like accelerated even more since he was having issues. So for me to get away and actually redo my nails or to my hair done or to, well, I haven't done it yet, but I am gonna pluck my eyebrows and my chin hair again, is like astronomical. So it's a 10 plus leave-in keratin. I love this stuff so much. This is great for putting in your hair wet, putting it in dry for me personally, especially when my hair is like natural. I just love this stuff so much, and I just finished it, and now I am using the Matrix Miracle Creator because I had that in my stash for a while, so I just want to use it up. If you do choose to use the Miracle Creator for your hair, don't use it dry. Don't use it on dry hair, because that's how my hair got so gunky last week. I wanted to cry. These are past. You guys remember when I was using these? This is the Joico K-Pack shampoo and conditioner. I got these from TJ Maxx like so long ago, like years ago at this point, so they are very, very expired. And again, a few weeks ago I went through my stash and I just got rid of a lot of stuff, putting together like another donation package to donate. The girl's over it. I'm severely over it now that I'm a mother. Like, I just don't have desire to keep a whole bunch of crap. As we speak, I still have a bunch of clothes that need to go, and phone cases and other things. I actually have a bunch of like teacher and like school supply things I want to donate for teachers, because I have a whole bin of them from when I was in daycare and I don't need anymore. So I don't know, I think more than ever now as a mother, I just want, maybe that's just me, I need this. Next thing we have, this is also expired, Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I really like this. However, I found something that works a little bit better for me. I really love the Verb Ghost Oil. I think I might have showed you guys that before, but the only reason I also kept this is because I only got it for 10 bucks. So I was like, oh my God, I got such a good deal. I need to keep this. But I haven't used it for quite a few years now, so she's gone because we're not using her anymore. Watermelon whipped shea butter, body butter, where we're at with it. I've had this since before I had my son, and I don't know, after a while, maybe it's just my senses, maybe the cap was left unscrewed, but it just stinks. It stinks like grease to me now. Hopefully that doesn't happen with the Tropic Glow one I have in my shower right now. I'm over it. I'm over it. Hence why I didn't completely clean this out. Like, I just was like, I can't. Body scrub. This is the Tropic Glow firming one that smells like Sol de Janeiro. Love her. She smells really good, obviously. I don't know, I think I like Sol de Janeiro's scent a little bit more, but this is a really good alternative if you don't want to spend the money. Usually in the summertime, you guys have been here, I go through these like crazy because after I use sunscreen, when I'm out in near the pool or the lake or whatever, I need to scrub my skin so badly. That hasn't really happened this summer, really, so I have one. That's okay. Next year, I cannot wait to take him swimming and stuff to the beach and everything next year. I'm already planning his birthday party. Yes, I'm crazy. Eva NYC Tone It Down Blonde Shampoo and Conditioner. I kind of stopped using this but I was using the shampoo more. I was looking for more of a drugstore purple shampoo alternative just because they can be pretty expensive. These are pretty good. I don't think I'll repurchase it though, just because I don't know, like it just it didn't wow me. Like I'm not really a fan. An empty technically of the Rio Dio Sol de Janeiro refill. I think this low-key making my armpits dark, but maybe that was just from pregnancy. I don't know, because I was using this near the end of my pregnancy. So usually really love this deodorant. It's aluminum free. If you want to splurge, it smells just like the Brazilian Crush spray. China Glaze nail polish in Flip Flop Fantasy. I have 2 of these because I bought a replacement, and she's just been chilling the whole time. So I love her. This is a beautiful color for the summertime. I know we're like late now and it's almost fall, but she's absolutely beautiful. I love this color so much. I've used this on my nails, my toenails. Also something that is expired that I think I only used like twice. This is the Tan Glow Your Way enriched with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, darkest clear self tan gel, which is vegan and cruelty free. As you guys can see, it's like discolored, like clearly it's expired. It was a regret. This was a regret. I bought this because it went viral, as did I think a lot of us, and I was orange as this top. I haven't really had that much time to self tan this year, obviously, so I've only been tanning a few times. This was definitely not one for me, and apparently this expires 6 months after opening. So ladies and gentlemen, if you choose to buy this, just be aware. 6 months after opening. I don't think I would ever use this ever again anyways, and I think I bought it off the website, I remember, because it was sold out everywhere and I was like, I need it right now. Girl, no you don't. This is gonna be controversial. It's gonna be crazy. Maybe I need a different color. Someone let me know in the comments, but this is the e.l.f. bronzing drops, the rose gold color. I don't know, I really love my Butter Glow Physicians Formula ones, which I'm wearing today with sunscreen. Like literally, I'm either all or nothing with makeup these days. Like I have come up with a quick mommy makeup routine, whether it's just basic, really quick, or if it's like a little bit more, you know what I mean? But I just prefer this over this. I don't know, maybe I just have a different, like it's too late for me. If the other colors is darker, let me know, but I don't know. I wasn't really impressed with this. It does nothing for me. Not really a fan. This is the last thing I have that I stopped using because I didn't like. This is a mascara from La Cura, their Brilliant mascara. It's giving Benefit They're Real, but this mascara was just terrible. It just didn't work very well for me at all. It wasn't giving anything. Yeah, definitely will never repurchase this. I think I got this as a gift actually. So yeah, no, never again. There are some other empties. I have another hand sanitizer from when I was working. This is Pumpkin Pecan Waffles from Bath & Body Works. Yes, I know, pumpkin in June. Yes, I was doing that. I think this is expired actually. My bad. This is a Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Gummy Bear. Loved her. I've had this for like 2 years now almost. She still smells good, but it was time to say goodbye, clearly. So she's gone. I have a face scrub, Hut Balancing Sugar face scrub with cucumber, seaweed, and aha. I don't know. Really like this a lot. I really like these scrubs. They're very scrubby in my face. It just feels really nice. Right now I'm using the Aveeno one that I really like, the Aveeno Naturals one. That one's really good too. Something about this, just I really like a good scrubby scrub. Like I know a lot of people are sensitive to that, but I love so much. Only will be repurchasing one of these once I'm done with the Aveeno one. Schwarzkopf's Got to Be Glued Styling Spiking Gel, which there is still, I think, a tiny bit in here, but I use this completely. This was my go-to brow gel, still is. I'm currently using, which I'm still on the fence about, this e.l.f. brow laminating gel. I don't know if I like this, you guys. I don't even use this part. I literally just use that, so I don't know. Like it's okay. It's holding them in place. I don't think I would ever repurchase this again. It just doesn't seem like it's worth it, like doing the most for me. It's just like, whatever. Very random in here. Nail cutter that I've had since like the pandemic. There's so much like nail glue and caked up crap on there that it doesn't even cut nails anymore. Like I don't even know how that happened, but it literally does not cut nails at all. Like it's a fail. So I need to get a new one, but that's why this is in here, because I tried to cut nails down with it. I think it was right before I had Brian and they just were not cutting. I think that's what it was. I don't remember. A couple more things in here. I have this Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Intensive Treatment, which I did like. My hair has been really dry lately. I've been trying to use K18. Kayleen, if you're watching this, don't kill me. She recommended that I use it. However, I think I'm either using it wrong or I'm using too much of it, or I don't know, because it just dried the out of my hair, and I've been trying so hard ever since to get it back. Right after I had Brian, I was using it a lot. My hair was just really straw and really just not good. Even now it's still kind of straw-like. Like, I'm lucky right now that it's actually like, hi, I can run my fingers through it and it's good, and I blow dried it and everything's fine. I don't know, something about K18, I don't know if it's for me. Maybe I'm using it wrong. Let me know in the comments. I probably would repurchase this again. Right now I'm using a Briogeo one, so maybe we'll go back to this, but it was pretty good. Last thing in here, of course, is just a repeat. This is the Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum. Target the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I use this stuff every single day religiously in my skincare routine, which is also something I've really been trying to do now as a mom, to have a skincare routine every single night. I've been trying to have a lot of like routine-ish things because that's how I can function very well and how I don't feel like I'm out of control, is to have a little bit of a routine. So skincare, I use this every single day, along with the Hello Kitty Creme Shop. I think it's a brightening serum. I don't know if that really is doing anything. Maybe it is. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, because this is really my bare skin for the most part. I'm just mascara, lip gloss, sunscreen, bronzing drops, and brow gel. So let me know. Maybe it is doing something. Oh, and chin hairs. Which we will fix that hopefully the next couple days. I just don't have the strength right now. Is all of my current empties and stuff that I wish I didn't buy. Oh wait, I left out one more thing. I also have this MAC Fix Plus matte setting spray. I can't get any more out of it. That was from when I was doing my makeup religiously every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Like I said, I'm probably going to stick with mostly vlogs for now. You know, I'm still trying to figure out how to be a mom. Like, I always thought in my head this would be so easy, but maybe that's only because I used to watch Family Channel videos in like 2016. I was like, oh my god, their lives are so great. No, but I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell, post notification, know when the I post a new video, because we don't know at this point. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for sticking around with me, and wish me luck. Bye.